Folks, we're back at 16. All the sanitary's been run, and they start off on the far right side. You see that tallest white pipe? They filled that full of water. That's called static head pressure test. By code, we have to have at least 5 foot of static head. So what that means for the folks at home, we have to hold water at least 5 feet tall. And that is about 7 feet tall. So they fill it all the way full of water. And when the inspector comes tomorrow, he wants to shake that pipe and he wants water to fall right out. That means we're airtight. But we're running water lines now. The white PEX material, that's what it's called, PEX. It's been around about 30 some years. And so the white colored ones are the cold water lines, and guess what the red ones are. But this is the part that makes you very, very nervous when you're, especially Florida this time of year. The walls of this pipe are lighter than water, specifically talking the white sanitary. If we get a frog strangler, a real heavy rain, you see we're all trenched out here, and if we fill these trenches full of rainwater, the water's got nowhere to go. We have then the scary proposition that what if the sanitary floats? And that's what will happen if we get a total frog strangler. Now, this earth has been able to receive a good bit of rainwater and drain it out, but this is just you gotta just pray that we don't get a frog strangler, because if we come here tomorrow for the plumbing inspection and these trenches are full of water, we're gonna fail, and that means we got to recheck the measurements of everything. And in particular, that's important, is to make sure we have fall. So we're really praying that we stay. I mean, it's drizzling right now, and you can see there's no standing water anywhere, and that's exactly what we want. But it happens every once in a while. It's called where the underground plumbing floats. And you can have that in more clay type soil, because clay type soil is just, so it doesn't drain water like virtually at all. Here in Florida, we have more kind of slightly sandy soil, so it usually drains it real well. Here's one we haven't finished capping off yet. That's going to be the sewer coming. Units 1 and 2 share this main sewer drain. The one sticking up is going to be the clean out. Thankfully, I don't see cleanouts being needed to be used that much, but was it Tuesday afternoon? And of course, the rain chased off the block basins on 15. We passed 14 on the first floor lintel inspection. I'm expecting a third-party engineer within about 5-10 minutes. I just chatted with him. He's on his way to do his inspection, which is the same thing, but it's just all these critical inspections of anything structural. We always have a third-party engineer come, not because we don't trust ourselves, not that we don't trust the officials. It's just these are critical inspections here, and they have to be done right, and make sure I didn't miss anything, RGM didn't miss anything, North Florida Walls didn't miss anything. So it sounds great that we passed the inspection with our guy Matt, and then now we're just waiting for our third-party engineer, and also very thorough. And I don't mind failing. I mean, you don't want to fail, but if it's something we all missed, I'm okay with failing, because let's get this darn thing right and pour the concrete on a perfectly executed scope of work. So inside here, it's going to be 1507. Hard to tell, but this will be bathroom 2. AC chases. Oh, engineer's calling me right now. Let me take the call.